Hi, we have integral. Now this is cosine 2. This is not nice number. That gives us problem. If it were a nice number, that would be different story. So let me do this way. This is a cosine x plus 2 over 2 plus x minus 2. That's cosine x plus cosine half x plus 2 minus half x minus 2. That is cosine 2. It is dx. Okay, the reason I'm doing this because I want to make the denominator as a one term or one factor. So this one is equal to dx. We have a formula. Cosine a plus b plus cosine a minus b is twice a cosine a plus or multiply cosine b. So this one is 2 cosine a, which is this one, and times cosine b, that is this. Okay, see, the idea is that I change the denominator from a summation into a product. It's like a one term in the denominator. Now, next idea is that, well, I have to bring sign because the derivative of cosine is a negative sign. So if I bring sign something, it may change the integrand function. So what I'm doing here is that okay, let me write down this one. This is cosine x plus 2 over 2 multiplied by cosine x minus 2 over 2. Okay. I write the sine 2. If I multiply sine 2, then I have to divide the sine 2, right? The sine 2. So make the equal sign is still there. So sine 2, sine 2. And this is a sine 2. Sine 2 is what? And let me copy the denominator first. This is cosine cosine x plus 2 over 2 cosine x minus 2. Now cosine 2 sine 2 is sine half x plus 2 minus half x minus 2. That is sine 2. Okay, this is sine 2. Now, then equal, right? I bring this 2 outside. There's 2 sine 2. Integral. And we know the formula for sine a plus b, sine a minus b is a sine a, which is this, cosine b, which is this, minus, yes, sine b, this is b, right? And the cosine a. Well, not enough room to. Okay, this is a cosine x plus 2 over 2 multiplied by cosine x minus 2 over 2. Okay, now do you see my idea? Because I bring sine in, same time I bring cosine, which can be can make cancellation to the denominators. Okay, this one is equal to 1 over 2 sine 2 integral. Okay, this is bracket, and the first denominator is this over this minus this, that over this, right? So here you cancel this one. So you have this cancel with that one, right? We have a sine x plus 2 over 2 dx. Then this is cancel out, so you have this left over, cosine x plus 2 over 2. Minus the second part, this over that, cosine x plus 2 over 2 cancel with cosine x plus 2 over 2. So left over this, cosine x minus 2 over 2. And on numerator will be sine x minus 2 over 2. And the dx. Yeah. Okay. That is much better because we have simpler fractions. So this is a half sine 2 bracket integral. This was the negative derivative of this one, right? So this is negative half d. Yeah, d cosine x plus 2 over 2 and cosine x plus 2 over 2. Okay, the numerator is the derivative of the denominator with multiplied by negative half, and a negative minus, this is a cosine x minus 2 over 2. That one is the derivative of denominator with negative. This should be 2, huh? 2, I'm sorry. This is a half x dt, no? So this times t. This is a negative 2 d cosine 2x minus 2. Yeah. Well, okay. Because this one is a negative sine x plus 2 over 2 multiplied by half because of the chain rule, right? Half times 2 is cancelled out. It becomes a positive 1. Now it's a very clear. This one times this one, this 2 cancel with a half, right? And this is a sine 2 bracket. This is a negative log cosine x over 2, right? Absolute value. And this has become positive. 2 cancel with that 2. And you have a log absolute value cosine x minus 2 over 2. And plus c. Wow. Great. Now, if you don't do this way, you can do that way. Sine over cosine is a tangent, right? Tangent integration is equal to log a secant. Log secant is a reciprocal of cosine, right? So you get the same answer. So that's end of it.